took a job so I could be at home on Earth with my girls. We were finally healing.
Watched a little portion of the trailer for the Ohryis project, a film by local producer Janelle Smith. She's joining us today along with two actresses from the film, Shannon Leopard and Layla Scott, to tell us more about the story. She's also got a lot going on. She's got a streaming network and they've got an upcoming red carpet premiere. It's an exciting time. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning, everybody. Okay, Janelle, first up, talk to us a little bit about the idea behind the movie and some of the process of putting it together.
Yeah, so I'm actually one of the producers, and the whole team, it's all a female producing team, and we have some amazing female actresses as part of the project. Dana Cowden-Heath is the writer and producer and director. She's one of the writers, director, producer, amazing woman. This is my third project with her. So we're
a good team.
Yeah, we're a good team. I really enjoy working with her. And we both love sci-fi, so we have that in common. And it's been an amazing project, amazing time, and we're excited. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm excited too. I want to ask why, real quickly, it was important to focus on having an all-female production team, because I'm looking at three beautiful faces here and very hard workers as well.
Yes. So it was really important to me. I'm trying to open that door for women, female producers. I share this story just really quickly. I didn't choose this path. It kind of chose me. My background is martial arts. You and I met before promoting my martial arts
stunt
studio.
woman, absolutely.
Yes, and from that opened the door for me. And I'm very grateful, and I just realized there's very few female producers. And I thought, I need to step into this role. And it's a lot of hard work, but it's fun. And so, here we are today, and I think this is like my 15th, 18th film now. It's a blur, but
boy,
yes. But it's opened many doors.
As she said off camera to me, she doesn't sleep. She's working hard all the time. Okay, so Shannon and Layla, I'm so glad we have both of you here. Shannon, I just want to start with you. Can you guys talk to us a little bit about your backgrounds in acting? Because Janelle was bragging on y'all. She's like, oh, these are such professionals. I'm so glad they get to be on camera today. And then a little bit about your experiences as well working on the film. Go ahead.
Sure. I did plays in high school and college, and then whenever I moved to Austin in '99, I started training for film and commercial and television, that type of thing. I think I probably have about 20 films under my list as well, including short films. But this is one of my favorite films that I've done so far, though. I loved the script. It was an amazing process.
Oh, I love to hear that. And Layla, how about you?
Well, the script is absolutely amazing. It is incredibly amazing, and it's written and directed by some incredible, strong women that everyone should have as friends. But being an actor, it's always fun to just be kind of multifaceted with doing stunts, working with Janelle with doing stunts as well. That was one of my favorite parts. First of all, sci-fi is fun in general, but to have Janelle on set teaching us stunts and having to choreograph different things because the set might be a little bit smaller than you expected, which we came across with a little background tidbit. Yeah. But it's always fun. I've been acting for over 15 years, and so this is my life. I walked away from being a doctor for it, so.
Did you really?
I did.
Wow, that is a big change.
Yes. My mother was. We won't get into that. She's happy now, though. She's happy now.
Okay, good. And I bet she's excited to see this movie as well. We can actually watch the movie on your streaming platform that I told you off camera. Like, I didn't know a single human being could just invent a streaming platform, but you've done it, Janelle.
I launched, it started out with Iron Dragon TV a few years ago, and I sold part of that company, and now I have IDTV Flicks. So we have action film, we have all types of genres, and I love it. Like I said, it's a lot of work, but if I tell people you can do anything you put your mind to, I have to be one of those myself. So I challenge myself a lot, and there are days I crash and burn, but I get back up, and I keep going.
Lead by doing. I'm impressed, Janelle. Okay, red carpet premiere is happening next week. I want to ask Janelle a little bit about the ins and outs, but first I want to hear from you guys about how excited you are. Layla, let's start with you.
So I've purchased my designer dress.
Oh, lovely.
It came in the mail, and I tried it on, in front of the mirror. The little razzle dazzle, very classy, very
very beautiful. You'll see. For those of you who have chinned, you will
I
see.
can't wait.
Yeah, absolutely. She's giving me old Hollywood with
Yeah.
all
Yes,
of
yes,
these,
darling. Yes, darling.
actions. But is this the first time you've done a red carpet, or I'm guessing no?
Oh no, I have done many, 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 but I'm excited because this will be the first official for the Ohryis project. So that is why I'm excited to see all my cast members, us looking beautiful together and not all sweaty from set. So this is going to be so fun to see us all kind of in our
clean
monkey
up.
suits looking really nice. Yes, exactly.
Of course. And Shannon, what do you think?
Same thing. So excited to share this film with everybody, and we had a huge turnout. It's actually sold out at
Yeah.
this point. So
Wonderful.
lots
Yeah.
of support coming in our way. Yeah, excited to get all dressed up and go have some fun with everybody.
Okay, I know it's sold out, Janelle, but could you go ahead and give us the details anyway?
Yes, so we're going to be screening Monday night, January 27th, 6 p.m. is the red carpet at AFS Cinema. Our wonderful friends at AFS are hosting us, and we're excited. Hopefully we'll have another screening, and people can go onto our Ohryis Project Facebook page. And I just want to give another shout out to our amazing director, producer, Dana Cowden-Heath. She's going to be at the Miami International Film Festival this weekend.
Wow.
Yes.
With the film, so fingers crossed we get some awards coming back home to Texas. But yeah, we're excited to see everyone. Please, everyone, keep check out our Facebook, follow us. We're going to have more projects coming up.
Oh, I'm excited. Well,
Yeah.
congratulations. And I have to say, there's a lot of love I can tell between everybody. A lot of support. I think that's wonderful. Congrats
Thank
from
you.
us here at
Thank
Studio
you.
512. I
Thank
can't
you.
wait to see the film. Okay. You'll be able to watch the film, guys, by heading to Janelle's streaming platform, as you heard her mention there. A couple other cool things to check out while you're there, as you can see on the screen, idtvflix.com.